Let's face it, buying the wrong car can be an expensive, stressful mistake. But some vehicles? They're so reliable, it's almost boring. In the best way. These cars are the kind you can drive for 10 to 15 years without major issues, breakdowns, or regrets. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just need peace of mind, these 7 are built to go the distance. We're skipping the hype and giving you real-world dependability from brands you might not expect. You won't see the same usual suspects. We're digging deeper into underrated legends. Let's check out 7 cars in 2025 to 26 you can buy with total confidence. Mazda 6. The Mazda 6 blends sporty handling with Japanese reliability, often rivaling European sedans. It's stylish, comfortable, and engineered to go the distance. For 2025, Mazda continues tuning it for the long haul. No gimmicks, just quality. Equipped with a naturally aspirated engine and an optional mild hybrid system, the Mazda 6 delivers efficiency without sacrificing the driving experience. Owners frequently report hitting 300,000 plus miles with only routine maintenance. Handling is sharp, the ride is smooth yet engaging, and the overall drive is built for everyday enjoyment. Its design features elegant, timeless lines that don't scream mid-size sedan, but quietly impress. LED accents, premium wheel designs, and subtle sporty details elevate the look, offering a luxury feel without the luxury price tag. Inside, the Mazda 6 offers high-quality soft-touch materials, intuitive controls, and well-bolstered seats. The cabin is refined but functional, with tech that feels purposeful rather than flashy. It's the kind of interior that holds up year after year and keeps drivers coming back. Mazda 6 blends European-grade feel with rock-solid reliability, an underrated gem that just endures. Next, an American hybrid truck that's proving longevity doesn't require flash. Ford Maverick Hybrid. The Ford Maverick Hybrid is not your typical pickup. It's built tough, efficient, and surprisingly enduring. Think of it as a commuter truck that doesn't quit and that won't break the bank. Under the hood, it packs a 2.5-liter hybrid drivetrain with front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive optional. Owners report hitting 200,000 plus miles with no hybrid battery issues. It delivers strong torque at low speeds, great for towing or tight city traffic, and remains easy to maintain with no surprises mechanically. The exterior keeps things practical with a compact pickup silhouette, modern lines, and clever features like bed-integrated lighting and smart storage. There's no unnecessary chrome or gimmicks, just honest design for everyday use. Inside, it's simple, rugged, and highly functional. Vinyl seats resist stains, infotainment is basic but dependable, and the controls are big enough for gloves or dirty hands. It's a work truck that stays looking and feeling fresh, even after years of wear. The Maverick proves hybrid and truck-friendly can coexist without complex systems or costly repairs. Now, how about European elegance that actually lasts? BMW 3 Series. The 2022 to 2026 BMW 3 Series G20 isn't just sporty, it's also built to last in the real world. Forget fragile gadgets. This generation refocuses on fundamentals, and it shows. With a lineup of inline 4 and inline 6 engines, many owners report these BMWs exceeding 200,000 miles when properly maintained. Regular oil changes and basic service keep them running smoothly for years. Handling is balanced, steering is tight, and the driving feel remains fun without being fragile. Stylistically, it holds up. Aggressive headlights, sculpted body lines, and those timeless BMW proportions give the 3 Series its identity without overdoing it. LED lighting and optional M Sport details round out a sharp but sensible design. Inside, it's a blend of modern luxury and thoughtful engineering. Digital displays are clean and reliable, materials feel premium, and the overall layout is driver-focused. Unlike older generations, the tech here works consistently, and wear on seats and surfaces is minimal, even after serious mileage. The BMW 3 Series G20 shows that German luxury can be durable if you maintain it properly. Less frills, More fundamentals, engineering that ages gracefully. Closing this round with a luxury crossover legend. Porsche Macan. The Porsche Macan blends sports car DNA with everyday SUV practicality, and its long-term reliability may surprise you. This is the little Porsche that dares to age like a fine wine. Its turbocharged engines, whether the 2.0-liter four-cylinder or the more powerful V6, are built with signature Porsche quality. When kept up with routine maintenance, these engines often go well beyond 250,000 miles with no drama. The ride remains taut and polished, with handling that stays sharp long after most crossovers have gone soft. On the outside, it's instantly recognizable. Compact and athletic with LED lighting, refined lines, and a muscular stance, the Macan avoids flash but commands attention in all the right ways. Step inside, and you're met with high-end materials, smart haptic controls, and a cabin layout that emphasizes longevity over novelty. The interior is driver-focused, the leather holds up incredibly well, and the tech is as durable as it is sleek. The Porsche Macan proves that luxury performance SUVs don't need to be maintenance nightmares. With the right care, it stands the test of time better than many expect. We've built momentum, ready to wrap this up with 3 more reliable legends, backed by real-world data. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is back for 2025, and it returns leaner, tougher, and more purposeful than ever. This isn't some softened luxury SUV. It's a modern off-road legend forged from bulletproof roots. The new model carries the DNA of decades-old cruisers still running across deserts, jungles, and frozen roads. Powered by a turbocharged hybrid iForce Max system, it offers serious durability with newfound efficiency. Its body-on-frame construction and full-time 4WD platform remain faithful to its legacy, making it as rugged as anything on the market. Land Cruisers built 30 years ago are still alive and kicking. This one's built to outlast most garages. Design-wise, it's all function and heritage. Square lines, chunky tires, and protective cladding screen built for abuse, not mall parking lots. It looks capable because it is capable. Inside, the cabin strikes the perfect balance between toughness and usability. Durable seats in cloth or leather, controls that make sense, and just enough tech to be modern without being fragile. There's nothing complicated here, because it was designed to survive extremes, dust storms, snow, floods, you name it. If you want a vehicle that'll still run when your grandkids are grown, the 2025 Land Cruiser is it. That's why it remains the global standard for reliability, trusted by humanitarian fleets, overlanders, and off-grid travelers alike. But maybe you're not looking to conquer continents. Maybe you want quiet comfort and long-term dependability in a family-friendly package. Buick Envision. The Buick Envision doesn't grab headlines, but that's kind of the point. It's a quiet achiever, delivering affordable luxury with high reliability and minimal fuss. With clean styling and one of GM's most dependable platforms, this is the SUV for buyers who want a calm, confident experience year after year. Under the hood, a straightforward turbocharged engine offers smooth power delivery without overcomplication. The suspension is soft enough for comfort, firm enough for confidence, and owners regularly report years of issue-free driving well past 150,000 miles. There's no drama under the hood, just consistent, stress-free operation. Visually, the Envision leans into quiet elegance. Sleek lines, just enough chrome, and a floating roof design give it the poise of a more expensive vehicle. It doesn't shout luxury, it suggests it. Inside, the surprise continues. Soft leather, ambient lighting, and a simple but polished tech setup make it feel more premium than its price tag suggests. The seats are supremely comfortable, the cabin is spacious, and everything feels solid without trying too hard. If you want peace of mind and zero dealership stress, this is one of GM's strongest offerings. The Envision is a reminder that reliable doesn't have to be boring. It can be quietly excellent. Let's wrap it up with a futuristic sedan that's proving electric doesn't mean fragile. Hyundai IonX 6. The Hyundai IonX 6 is reshaping how people think about EVs. It's sleek, smart, and, more importantly, proving to be durable where it counts. With up to 361 miles of range and top-tier battery longevity systems, it's one of the safest bets in the electric space. Early adopters are already praising its long-distance performance and reliability, thanks in large part to excellent cooling systems and Hyundai's proven EV architecture. With far fewer moving parts than gas cars, there's less to go wrong, and Hyundai's battery warranty backs up the confidence. Dual-motor AWD variants offer quick torque and added traction, making it as capable in the snow as it is in traffic. The exterior design is all about endurance. Its ultra-low drag coefficient and smooth silhouette make it one of the most aerodynamic cars on the road. From pixel lighting to coupe-like curves, it stands out, but not in a way that will look dated 5 years from now. Inside, the IonX 6 offers a calm, tech-focused space. Wide dual screens, ambient lighting, and sustainable materials give it a luxury feel without the price. Every touchpoint feels sturdy, every feature purposeful. This isn't a gadget car. It's a refined daily driver with a long-term mindset. For under $50K, few EVs come close to its balance of style, performance, and early reliability. If you're ready to go electric without worry, the IonX 6 is your best bet. Based on 2025 data from consumer reports and real owner feedback, several models consistently rise above the rest. The Mazda 6 continues to impress with its solid build quality and longevity, making it a top choice for reliability. The Ford Maverick hybrid scores highly for its dependable hybrid drivetrain and minimal repair issues in early ownership. BMW's 3 Series shows notable improvements in electronics and engine durability, while the Porsche Macan remains one of the most reliable luxury SUVs available. The Toyota Land Cruiser, a legend in off-road toughness, maintains near-perfect durability scores. Meanwhile, Buick Envision offers quiet dependability with a strong repair record, and the Hyundai IonX 6 shines with top marks in battery reliability and software stability. These vehicles represent a smart balance of innovation and proven engineering. If you're tired of surprise repairs and want a vehicle that will serve you reliably for years, these picks are worth considering. They combine real-world durability with modern features and reasonable ownership costs. Which one would you trust for your next 200,000-mile journey? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more honest car reviews, and stay tuned for more trusted recommendations to help you make smarter buying decisions in 2025 and beyond.